A very good morning, children. I know that you are struggling to construct angles, right? So today I'm going to tell you how to construct angles. Before we go, we need certain equipments of geometry. So here I have my pencil, my ruler, and my protector. Okay, so I'm ready with my equipments. Are you ready? Here we go. So I need to make an angle of 45 degree. So what will be my first target? I'm going to write that I need to make an angle of 45 degree. Angle A, B, C equals to 45 degree. This is what I'm supposed to do, right? So my first step of construction will be to draw a straight line BC, right? I will draw a straight line here. I have placed my ruler. Let me show you. This is the 0 point of the ruler, right? So from 0 point I will make 6 centimeter line, let's suppose, right? These are two dots here. Here I will mark it as B. This one is C. This is BC line segment of 6 centimeter, right? This is my first step wherein I have drawn a line BC of 6 centimeter. This point is my vertex. This point is my vertex, and this is one arm of my angle which I am going to construct. So I have placed a dot at one end of the arm. This dot represents the vertex of the angle. Now I will take my protector. So I have taken my protector. This is my protector here, right? So I will place the center of the protector at the vertex dot. Where is the center of the protector? Now you can see this line, this horizontal line, this line. Here you can see the center. This is center of the protector. So I'm going to place the center of the protector at the vertex, right? This point B. Now I have to place my protector in such a way that this line BC is coinciding with my horizontal line of the protector. Now the protector horizontal line has hidden this line segment BC of ours. Okay, so now this is hidden. So we have placed the center of the protector at the vertex dot. Okay, vertex dot and baseline of the protector. Fine. Now how much angle we have to, what is our required angle? How much angle we need to construct? 45 degree, right? So here you can see in my protector I have one clockwise measurement of angles, clockwise, and one is anti-clockwise. Okay, clockwise scale and anti-clockwise scale. I'm repeating myself. This is clockwise scale and this is anti-clockwise scale. Okay, now you see which 0 is coinciding with my line segment BC. This one or this one. Here it is written 180. Here it is written 0. So the scale, lower scale of this protector, 0 of lower scale is coinciding with this line segment. So I will be considering this lower scale. Okay, I need to construct 45 degree angle. So where is 45 degree angle? Where is 45? See, in this lower scale I can go 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, and this is 50. In between 40 and 50 you can see there are divisions. After 40, this is your 40, right? So after 40, this is 41, 42, 43, 44, and this longer line, this is 45. right? So I will mark a point here. So where is this point? This point is between 40 and 50. 45 degree will lie between 40 degree and 50 degree. In between 40 and 50, I have this point. Clear? So this point is my 45 degree. I have marked a point here, right? And we again repeating, we are looking at this lower scale, not the upper one. Why? Because the lower scale 0 is coinciding with this line, right? I will remove my protector now. Now I'm going to join these two dots. I have joined these two dots. Now this point is my A. So this angle ABC is my 45 degree angle. Got it? This is how we make 45 degree angle. Now we are going to construct the same angle ABC, which will be now 90 degree. Now I hope that you all remember all the steps, right? So first, what are we going to do? We are going to make a line with the help of ruler, and our line can be of any centimeter. If it is given in the question, you need to make 8 centimeter line, you make 8 centimeter. If it is given 6, you make 6. So I have drawn 6 centimeter line starting from point 0 and ending at 6, right? So this is my 6 centimeter line. I'm again mentioning here BC. This is BC 6 centimeter. Now I have to construct an angle of 90 degrees. So I'm going to take help of my protector again. This is my protector. This is the baseline. This one is the center point. As I told you, center point to be placed at the vertex B. Now I'm placing the center point at the vertex B. Here my baseline of the protector is coinciding with the line segment BC. Okay, and 90 is same for both the scales, for clockwise scale and for anti-clockwise scale, for upper scale and for lower scale. 90 is always same, right? So I am going to place a dot here. One arm was this of that angle, and another arm I'm going to construct. I'm going to join these two dots, right? So I have joined these two dots, and the dot here I'm going to place a point A. So this one is my 90 degree angle. This is 90 degree. So I have constructed one more angle which is 90 degree. Now I'll be constructing one more angle of 110 degree. I hope you understood how to make it now, right? So what are we going to do? First, we are going to construct a line with the help of our ruler. Again, let us take the same line segment of 6 centimeter, right? So I'm taking the same line segment of 6 centimeter starting from 0. I have placed a dot here which is going to be my vertex, and then one more dot here at 6. So this is my again BC of 6 centimeter. Correct? Now I need to make an angle of 110 degree. Again I have taken a protector. You know my center point of protector is here. The center point is going to be placed on top of my vertex B. This is vertex B, okay, that point which you made earlier. This vertex and the center point, both of them coincide. And the baseline, this horizontal line, it is on top of this line segment BC. So that you are not able to see the line segment BC, it is all hidden. Okay, now I have to construct an angle of 110 degree. I hope all of you remember that since this 0 is near to this point C, right? It is coincide, this 0, lower scale 0 is coinciding with this line now. So we are going to consider this lower scale. If I move on this lower scale, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, this is my 110. This is my 110, correct? This is my 110. So I have removed my protector from here, I'm going to take help of my ruler again, and I'm going to join these two dots, B and this one more dot, which I'm going to call as A. So this is 110 degree. This one is done. Now let me show you all three of these constructions, right? So if you compare these three, so you can see when it was 45 degree, a little bit of mouth was open, correct? When it was 90 degree, it was upright, straight, and when it is 110, it has moved a little bit more. If you are going to construct one more angle, let's suppose you are going to construct 160 degree, how will it become? Again, if I make a rough diagram, so one line will be constructed and it will be something like this. More than this, it keeps on opening and opening and opening, right?